So I'm going to be mentioning 5 things that is not making us grow on YouTube, me inclusive, and you watching this video. They are very important, and I know because I've seen that okay, this is why I'm not growing, and it is something that I have put in place to make sure that I'm not doing in order to grow this channel. So if you want to hear what I have to say, take your pen and your paper and let's dive right into the video. So the first thing is we are not hooking our viewers in the 10 to 30 seconds margin. And that means when you start out, you are just doing, hi guys, so this channel, I want to talk to you about, oh, this is what you go straight to the point. That is what I realized I was doing, and I decided to, be going straight to the point. Go straight to the point. If your title is talking about, oh, I want to talk about so, so, and so, go straight to the point. I find myself clicking out of some videos, even on TikTok, not even just YouTube, that they want to talk about something, but they are just perambulating. I might watch past 30 seconds because I'm hoping that any minute from now, they'll mention what they say they are going to talk about. And once they don't mention it, I click out. So once you're not hooking people 10 to 30 seconds, you're not going to be able to hook them forever because they might actually watch to the 30 seconds mark and they should also click out because they've given you enough time to say what you want to say or to start and you've not started. So if you are a YouTuber, you're in this content space as I am, this is what you are supposed to do to make sure that you're not losing out on, some views that you're supposed to be getting. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's number one. I hope you've noted that down. That's number one. Let's dive right to number two. You're making video for yourself and not for your viewers. You are not putting your viewers at the back of your mind when you are deciding to, talk about a topic. This topic I'm talking about, I went to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT to give me content ideas for my channel that is already picking up because I talked about so, so, and so, and it is mainly for small YouTubers. I want to talk about a topic that is for them, that will draw them in, that will make them feel seen. And it gave me different, ideas, which this that I'm talking about is part of. If I wanted to say, I'll say, oh, please give me ideas that can make me blow. That's you thinking about you. But I thought about you. What can I talk about that will make my viewers feel seen, that will make them understand and be able to relate that, oh, I'm also going through this. Oh, what can I also do? That is what you are supposed to do. Don't be selfish. You're not the one watching your video. You get what I'm saying? So if you're a vlog channel, you can say, oh, but how can I ask people that, oh, what do I want them to see or something? You can actually ask that, oh, what do you want to see? Do you want to see my skincare routine? Do you want to see my morning routine? Do you want to see my night routine? Do you want to see a lifestyle vlog? Do you want to see me reading? Do you want to see meditation? Do you want to see motivational video? Do you get what I'm saying? Because all of it, if you're doing vlog, everything that I just mentioned encompass into, being a lifestyle vlogger, lifestyle content creator. You can do all of it in it because it is about your life. Do you get what I'm saying? So don't limit yourself to, oh, I need to just record. There are things you can actually record and you can ask your viewers. But if you not say, oh, I don't have viewers, I'm still small, then you can use your chat GPT. Ask it to give you prompts that that would help viewers that would end up seeing the video, that will make them want to click. Do you get what I'm saying? Everything boils down to what your viewers would want, even if you don't have viewers. Do you get? And if you have viewers, what they also want. That's number two. I hope you've penned that down. I'm going to ask you to list them at the end of this video. Number three is you are not consistent, and the algorithm hates that. The algorithm loves that you are consistent because once you start uploading on YouTube, it is like, oh, someone has started uploading. They know that someone have come. There's a new person on YouTube, but they want to see how consistent you are. They want to see if you'd want them to push your video out, and that's them seeing that, oh, this person is consistent. Okay, this person is uploading what people want to see. They're uploading what their viewers want. They are hooking their viewers in the first 30 seconds, and they are consistent. At the longer they'll push your video out. It will take time, but they will do. That's why we have some channel, getting some views and then they are gaining momentum as they go. Do you get? And that's because they kept being consistent after they gained the momentum. They did not relax. I say it often that it might take time. It might take time, but definitely you'll be noticed by the algorithm and you'll be favored. But you can't be noticed and you can't be favored if you are not consistent. So you have to really think of, what do I want to do? What do I feel I'm going to talk about and keep talking about and I'll not get tired of? That is what you should do. Don't just do what you see people doing, because it might wear you out at some point. Yes. So do what you want to do, so that even when you are tired, you can still gather yourself and still do something, so that you will not fall under the inconsistency bandwagon. Do you get what I'm saying? So love what you are doing, think about your viewers and hook them in the first 10 to 30 seconds. That's the third one. Pen that down. The fourth one is, you're not learning from your analytics. Let me explain. You need to make your YouTube studio your best friend, because that's where you see your analytics. You need to see a video doing well or not. Once you've uploaded the video and the analytics is already like updated, but it takes time before everything shows, you go to the video, click on the analytics and check what's going on. Oh, why is this video having a dip? Why is this video having a spike? How many minutes are people watching up to? Where are they sharing? Those are the dips and the spikes. Where are my audience from? What is bringing people to watch this video? That's where you see content suggesting video, or you see if YouTube is recommending the video, or it is through browse feature or something. You see it in your analytics. It is there. If you now want to, look for ideas, you can also use your YouTube studio. Your analytics can do that for you. You go to your analytics, you go to trends, and then you see similar channels like you, what they are doing and how people are demanding for it. Is it on a high demand, or is it high demand meaning like people are searching for it on a high level, or people are not searching for it? You see it there and you'll be able to click and see content ideas that you can also create. Why do you think I'm always doing how much you paid me? That's because those are the kind of videos that people tend to watch. They call them transparency video. People want to be able to feel okay when they get to that point. This is what they should be expecting, or this is how it is. They just want to know. So if you see that, okay, this is the video that is bringing people in, do a similar kind again. That's you checking your analytics very well. If you see content suggesting a video, look at all of those contents and look at what you can recreate. Why is my video popping up among content suggesting this video? Oh, that's because I use my end screen and my info card or my playlist. You get what I'm saying? To not run out of ideas, your YouTube studio is there for you to check your trends and check what is trending, what people are searching for, and all of those things. You can do it if you really want to do it on YouTube. If you really want to, make sure that you are doing what you are supposed to do. You're getting seen by who is supposed to see you, then you need to put in the work. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's number four. I hope you've penned that down. The last one, I will really want you to understand where I'm coming from. And that's, you're not promoting your channel enough. So I'm an advocate of, don't share your link to an external site. And people ask me, I don't tell them anything about my YouTube. I just ignore them. Or how am I going to do it? How does it work? If I'm not sharing my link, how am I bringing people to watch? What am I supposed to do? So let's first talk about, you're not promoting your video enough, in the sense that you don't have to share your link to promote your video. If you have other social media platform, you can make a short video and say, I have a YouTube channel where I talk about, hold on. You can say, I have a YouTube channel where I talk about so and so. This is the name of my channel. Or you share your channel link, not a video link, so people can subscribe and then watch. Don't share your video link in the sense that when you upload a new video, you are excited to share it to your friends and family, and then you forget that you are telling YouTube to just chill and not work on your video. Because once you share it out and people start watching and they are not watching to the end, they are clicking out, or they are watching to some point and clicking out, or they are skipping, those data will be collected. They are not going to waste, right? Those data will be collected, and when they analyze it, they see it as, oh, people are clicking out because this video is not interesting. then we don't need to push it out to people that actually would want to watch. They'll put it aside. But when you leave it alone, YouTube, when you upload a video, YouTube first send it to your subscribers. If you don't have subscribers, they put it on people's own page, they recommend it to some, viewers. And if they see that people are clicking on it, they keep pushing it out. If they see people are not clicking on it, they just extend it out to your subscribers, and then as time goes on, it gains momentum or it doesn't. So if you notice that it's not gaining momentum, that's like a week after, then you can share your link and tell them to please watch till the end. Because when you share your link and you're not telling them what to do, people just click and watch because it is you. They don't want to ignore you. They don't know that they are doing you harm. So you need to tell people what to do even after 1 week. So if you want to promote your channel, do it this way. Don't share your link, share your channel link. Don't be too hasty to get the views and everything, because it takes time for YouTube to push it out even to your subscribers, and it takes time for them to push it out to new eyes. So you need to be calm about it. There's some videos that don't gain momentum until a month after, until a week after, until 2 weeks after, 2 weeks after, until a year after. Do you get what I'm saying? So please, you need to be very strategic about it. Follow this and you see that it will help you at the long run. So I hope you pen this last point down, because this is my last point. So since you've penned this down, let's mention each point together. The first one is you're not hooking your viewers in the first 30 seconds. The second one is you are making your videos for yourself and not for your viewers. The third one is you are not consistent. The fourth one is you're not making YouTube analytics your best friend. And the fifth one is, what's it? You're not promoting your videos enough. I hope with these few points of mine, you are able to learn a lot. And do well to subscribe, because I upload practical YouTube growth tips twice a week. And join the community. Let's grow together. Let's earn together, because at the long run, everybody wants to earn. So with that, see you in my next video. Bye.